How do you make sure you're getting high quality leads from your advertisements? One of the most common misconceptions I get is that you can't have both high quality leads and a high quantity of leads. People think you have to sacrifice one for the other, either quality or quantity. And maybe on some platforms that is the case, especially ones where you're all reliant on an algorithm like Facebook and, or ones where you don't have any media, so you can't actually get in front of people like pay-per-click. But when we talk about YouTube ads, you can have both quality and quantity when it comes to your leads. You want a high volume of high quality leads that are coming into your business or your funnel that are actually eager and primed to buy. And that's what we're gonna cover in this video. How do you get that coveted sweet spot between a high quality lead and one that is also high in quantity as well? So you get a lot of high quality leads. Let's dive in. Obviously, it's really important that you have the perfect YouTube ad that hits all of the right notes. It has a hook, it educates, it provides value, it has a call to action. We talk about kind of that YouTube ad formula. But when it comes to your targeting, that is where a lot of the legwork is going to be done. So assuming you have a good video, you follow that format, and that's obviously what we help clients with. We have some trainings on that as well. We've got some resources in this group too. But the way that you make sure that you're actually reaching the right people, and this is high quality leads, is by setting up that three-dimensional YouTube ad strategy. And it starts with demographics. So you mentioned high income. Now here's the thing on YouTube that a lot of people may not even know. So YouTube actually lets you in the United States and select countries target by household income, actual household income. Now, this is very different than what's on Facebook now. Facebook used to let you do that, right, where you could target based on income, but nowadays, for the last few years, it's all been zip code income targeting, right, which isn't as powerful. What that is it's basically targeting people based on, the income of a certain zip code, but you could be targeting somebody who maybe doesn't have as high of a household income, they just live in an expensive city. Or what about that person that, does have a business, that they are successful, but they live in a zip code that maybe isn't as wealthy? So that's on Facebook. That's why the income targeting on Facebook isn't really that great. But on YouTube, you actually can target people based on household income, where they're actually fall in that income bracket. So you could do top 10%, top 20%, top 30%. So for you, Bradley, you're asking the question, how do you make sure that you're targeting these high quality leads on YouTube? Well, what you want to do is you want to make sure, you said high quality equals high income. You want to make sure that your demographics start with people who are these high income earners. Typically, we recommend business owners start with 30%, top 30%. A lot of our own ads are targeting top 20% of income earners. We even have clients too who are really looking for high net worth, and they're targeting top 10% of income earners. So that is the demographic side of it. And then you're layering that with the specific video. So this is what somebody's watching right now. This is a little bit less of what you're asking about because that's what a lot of people know, right? So you've got videos, but you also have keywords. We recommend more along the lines of keywords and topics, a little bit broader. One of the problems people run into is they target just specific placements and they constantly have to recycle those. There's not as much scalability as if you have a collection of videos under a keyword or under a topic. And then combining that with audiences. This is where you pinpoint that this is actually a business owner. So you talked about somebody who has a proven track record. They're actually a business owner. You can create affinity audiences based on the fact that they're a business owner. There's different keywords that you can apply. You can also do it based on their in-market audiences. So in the market for business services, in the marketing for advertising. And you can even create audiences based on what they've been searching on Google. So you're layering all of that together with the top income brackets, with what they're watching, with who they are as a person. That's how you pinpoint that perfect, high ticket or that perfect high quality lead from YouTube. So that's what you're asking. High quality equals high income. And that is what you're going to be able to do. All right, I hope you found this video valuable, where you learned how you can actually get high quality leads in high numbers using YouTube video ads. Now, if you found this useful, you're gonna love our webinar on how you can use YouTube video ads to skyrocket your leads and sales adoutreach.com/webinar. Links is down below. And if you guys are ready to actually talk with my team about implementing YouTube ads into your own business so you can have both high quality and a high quantity of leads, a lot of leads coming into your business that you can actually close and bring in high value of revenue, you can go to adoutreach.com/apply, and our team is standing by to help you use YouTube video ads for your own business. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we have a new video about YouTube ads, marketing, growing your business, and more. And I'll see you guys next time.